Hello everybody and welcome back to Alaris Labs YouTube channel. As you may know, the new version has been released, and here we are going to list the most important features and changes. As not all features and corrections will be discussed in this video, you are welcome to check the full list of changes in the release notes. Please note that you can turn on the subtitles for the video by clicking on the subtitles control in the YouTube panel of instruments. Check out our Facebook and LinkedIn pages to learn more about our life and business. A delay when sending a large number of invoices to partners has been discovered in some systems. In this version, internal logic of email sending has been reworked and emails are sent much faster. Possibility has been added to generate a token with an arbitrary lifetime using the REST API method. By setting the optional parameter lifetime in days, the minimum value is 0.000694, 1 minute. The maximum value is 365, 1 year. The token stub has been added to the API connections page of Alaris campaign portal that allows creating tokens, get token button, and contains a table with a list of previously generated tokens. The new field Rate Relative to has been added to the Reference Books Currency Exchange Rates interface. It serves to select the currency relative to which other currencies will be displayed in the main table. Now, if the user sets the inactive carries parameter to hide in start user settings, inactive carries will be hidden in the interfaces such as routing rules, rate editor, and simulation. The new markers have been added that show the reverse amount of the previous balance, with account for issued invoices and payments prior to the current invoice issue date. That is, if the amount was positive, it will be shown as negative, and vice versa. Previously, if no product filters was set during CDR EDR export, only one time zone was available for selection, or two if the operating system time zone was different from the system time zone. Starting from this version, all time zones will be available for selection if no products are specified. Field names in finance payments that show the payment direction have been unified and are now marked as inbound, outbound. Previously, they were marked as vendor outbound to partner and client inbound from partner respectively. The values of the direction filter have been changed in the Finance Invoices interface. Client vendor has been renamed to Invoice to Partner, Invoice from Partner. Additionally, the document type column has been renamed to Direction. Starting from this version, inactive products will not be displayed in the Wholesale portal. The methods getVoiceRule, getVoiceRuleID, and putVoiceRuleID have been enhanced. Previously, they didn't display or support destination tags. Even if the tags were present in the rule, the average change of the rule through the method putVoiceRuleID, the tags were reset. The error has been fixed. The location of fields, product types, and direction has been changed in the Add Edit panel of carriers products. Now they are located between the fields, accounts, and product name. The following functions that were out of use have been removed from voice active calls. The Reference Books Regions interface has been renamed to Countries and Regions. The Country Region tab has been renamed to Countries. The new column tags has been added to it, which serves to specify the tags for the country correct to the second decimal place. Previously, the user could not specify a large number of dial codes in the dial codes filter in the Voice, CDR Management, CDR Rerating. However, after starting CDR recalculation, an error appeared that didn't explain that the problem was in the excess number of dial codes in the filter. Now, the dial codes multiplier has been reworked, and the user is notified if the number of dial codes exceeds the maximum allowed value. Previously, the system incorrectly encoded file names containing hieroglyphics when exporting rates. As a result, the system was displayed incorrectly. The error has been fixed. Previously, the client blocks checkbox was added to the simulation section that serves to ignore client blocks during call simulation. For user convenience, the checkbox has been renamed from disabled to ignored, and the tooltip has been made more specific. In some cases, when PayPal sent notifications without the payment status field, the system sent unsuccessful response to PayPal. As a result, PayPal issued notifications about deactivation of Instant Payment Notifications (IPM). Starting from this version, the system will send the successful 200 OK response to requests with the no payment status field to avoid deactivation notifications from PayPal. When a time zone that involved daylight saving change was set on the local computer, the analytics in the main system returned an incorrect number of hours. As a result, the last hour was sometimes not displayed. The issue has been resolved. Well, these are all technical details that we plan to describe in this video. Hopefully it was helpful. In case you have any questions regarding the new version and the features that were not described here, you're welcome to contact our support team. If you have any suggestions regarding the channel development, we'll be happy to get them at the following email. Check out our Facebook and LinkedIn pages to learn more about our life and business. See you in the next video.